us. Now you're one of us. It was magic hour. Counting motorbikes on the turnpike. One of Eisenhower's.
So I already did prep my face by doing my usual skincare routine, and while we wait for my skin to soak it all in, hydrate yourself, sis. Starting off with the Tatcha Pearl to brighten my under eyes. This product is a bit expensive, but this works like magic, so I think it's really worth it. And then I'm topping it off with a thin layer of Fenty Beauty foundation. Just buffing it, not dragging it into my skin, and we have to make sure to bring the product down to the neck as well. This is quite optional, but I like to do this for a more sculpted look. I'm contouring the natural shadows of my face, which includes my temples, nose line, cheekbones, and jawlines. And then of course, I'm highlighting my under eyes, chin, and forehead using a concealer. I'm setting the liquid products with minimal amount of face and bronzing powder since I want to retain the natural face oil for a more glowy or dewy look. And instead of using a reddish pink blush, I'm using a nudish brown blush just because it's my preference nowadays, and I think this looks more effortless and perfect for an everyday makeup look. This is my favorite part, and I'll always use a brush first to deposit the product and then just pressing it down with the blender. My eyebrows are full and doesn't need much fix, so I'm just putting them in place using a brow gel from Benefit. For the eye makeup, I'm using only 4 shades in this Colourpop palette. First, I'm using the lightest warm shade for the entire lids. And then, the slightly darker one for the center of the lids. And finally, using the darkest brown shade as an eyeliner. I like to use this instead of an actual liquid liner for a more subtle look. To make my eyes pop, I'm using the shimmer shade at the center of my lids and also at the tear duct area. I'm almost done with this look. I'm putting on a tint first because I like the effect it gives, that when my lipstick fades, it still gives me a color underneath. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's just what I do. set everything together, I'm using the trusty MAC Fix Plus to finish it all up. I don't really put this much effort every day, but when I do have time, this is what I normally do. And there you have it. This is the final look.
Just to let it fall down. If I saw you on the street, would I have you in my dreams tonight? If I saw you on the street, would I have you in my dreams tonight?
I hope you guys like this video and you learned a thing or two. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!